Hi, this is a quick video about just how to register for the Workshop Software User Conference. Super excited to have you come along. Here's some simple steps on how to get yourself registered, including the early bird discount. So this is the website to go through. There'll be links on our website and various communications to there. And if we scroll down, we've got all the details, including the hotel info. You can book the hotel too, get a special delegate rate, ring the hotel to make a booking, and tell them that you're with the Workshop Software event, and they know that that's the details there. A little bit about the event and the location, and if you've already registered, there's a few things that you can do. So if we come up the top and we click on register, it will then take you to the registration page. You then select Workshop Software Conference, and then it also gives you the option about coming to the Welcome Canapes. So that's an optional event. We would love you to come. It is included in the ticket price, so please come along, have a couple of drinks with us, have some canapes, meet the team, and meet your colleagues. That's what you can do there. And if you click on Next, then it goes to the payment page. And then you put in your attendee information. So just put in all of your information, including any dietary requirements. If you are a Capricorn member, you can pay by Capricorn. Please put your Capricorn number in there. Go next. And then this will take you to the payment details. What you can do too, just to be clear here, you can add another person. So if you click on add another person, right, what I can do is I can add another delegate. They're going to come to the conference and to the canapes, and I'm going to go next, and then I'm going to put their details in as well. So let's say I put in, Mary at Workshop Software, right? And I'll put in Mary's name. And then go and add. And then what will happen is that you've got then two people coming along. Then you can enter in the discount code. So if you enter in early, and then make sure you click apply, right? And so the apply there, what that does, it gives you a 33% discount. So you get $200 off, $100 per delegate. So it's $199 as an early bird special rather than the normal $299. Just putting it out there, it's actually less than it's costing us more than that to put this event on. So we're subsidizing the event. Put in your credit card details. If you are a Capricorn, you can use your Capricorn. Please, only if you're a Capricorn member, and you make sure that you've put your details in. Otherwise, we won't validate the registration. Put your credit card details in. If you're going to pay by credit card, click on submit. You're registered. So it's pretty straightforward. Just particularly wanted to show you about adding another person. So if you wanted to add multiple people there, and particularly that early bird discount. So and make sure you click apply, and it does show you over here on the right hand side. Pretty straightforward. Couple of little steps there just to note. I wanted to give you some info on. Super pumped about seeing you at the conference. Thanks.